Alright guys, here's our walkthrough of number 17. Which expression is equivalent or the same to 2x squared minus 5x minus 12? So what we're looking for here, if we look at our answer choices, we notice that all of them are in factored form. So what we're looking for is when our product here, or our area, is factored, which one of these would be our factors? So a good place to start would be the trusty box. So before we jump into that, we want to make sure we don't have a GCF. Now, looking at my answer choices, I don't see one, so there probably isn't one. 2 is our smallest. Now, 5 is not divisible by 2. It's an odd number, so no GCF. We don't need to worry about that. So let's just jump into the box. So I've got a 2x squared. I've got my negative 12 is going to go there. Okay, I've got a blank ready for an x and a blank ready for another x. I take my a times c, so my 2 times negative 12, I got negative 24. I need factors of negative 24 that are going to add up to a negative 5. So my factors of negative 24 that are going to add up to negative 5 would be negative 8 and a positive 3. Negative 8 times 3 gives me negative 24. And if I add those together, I get negative 5, which is what my b is here. Okay, so I get my negative 5, which is what I want. Okay, get my negative 5. Let's zoom out a little bit. There we go. Okay, get my negative 5. So I'm going to have negative 8 being one of them. I've got 3 in the other. So then that means that I've got a 2x, and I'm going to put it on the side because 2x times a negative 4 easily makes negative 8x. And then my x is going to go on top. X times 3 makes a 3x. So here are my factors. I've got x minus 4, and I've got a 2x plus 3. Now their order doesn't really matter. I can have x plus 4 be on the right and 2x plus 3 on the left, or vice versa, and that'd be okay either way. When you multiply stuff, the order doesn't really matter. So here's an x minus 4. I don't see any other x minus 4s other than this one right here. And that goes with a 2x plus 3. So those match. So that's our answer.